Southern California, AM 1220 KHTS. Your host, Fred Arnold, on the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. Today I'm joined by Fred Krieger. Fred Krieger is a mortgage professional at American Family Funding. Welcome to the show, Fred.
Thank you, Fred.
I want to talk today about a training program that trying to get more people, veterans, and those that are looking for the profession of mortgage lending into the mortgage lending profession. Tell us about the program you're introducing at American Family Funding.
Sure. Thanks for having me on, Fred. So really, what we were trying to encapsulate into a new program was, how do you invite new people into our industry? I mean, our industry has been plagued over the last probably 5 or 6 years with more regulation than we know what to do with. And, we've made a decision whether to, recruit existing loan officers and try to teach them our way, or really kind of going back into our community. And, I call it intentional recruiting or intentional training. What that basically means is that we're going after new people that are excited about getting into a new career, and we're going to train them. They're going to teach them. I mean, you've had such tremendous success over the last 15 years in the mortgage industry, and the same thing with me over the last 12 years. We wanted to kind of share that wealth in terms of bringing more people into the business, teaching them, the correct way, how to conduct an interview, the correct way on how to process a loan. Because unfortunately, over the last couple of years, Fred, and you know this as much as I do, if not more so, is that to do a loan today, it takes so much more knowledge, so much more time. And I always tell people that, I have a PhD in mortgage lending because of how much reading you and I need to keep up with, including continuing education, licensing, testing, et cetera, to make sure that we're actually have competency in our industry. And that's one of the things that we kind of want to give back to the community with respect to training brand new folks that are coming in.
That's really important because over the last 5 years we've had attrition in the industry and very few people that came in. And the ones that did come in for the refinance boom, if you will, and maybe didn't learn the right way to do it. You and I have read a book called Aspire, and in Aspire, Kevin Hall talks about how for all of time you read about people that learn from a master, and they first start out as apprentices, right? So tell us about kind of the apprentice, what we're trying to get accomplished by helping them get their license to NMLS, and then the other training, because there's really two sets of training here. Right,
exactly. There's the technical training, which kind of I just mentioned, which was the continue education, the training, the testing, et cetera. That's really the technical bolts of the industry, and that's where we saw, and I always say during the heyday, I think we had about 90,000 originators here in California. We're now down to about 36,000, and I surmise by next year we'll probably have closer to 25,000. Now, that doesn't bode well when you think about an industry that is really, servicing more and more Americans today to help them get into a brand new home, really understand the process. And that's where you and I kind of are coming into this training. It's like, well, we want to train the next level of consultants, if you will, that are coming into this industry and having one-on-one conversations and dialogues with people who want to get into the first home or looking at maybe their last home, moving up, et cetera. So we want to be very careful about that. And the other part is the character. And that's the other training part where that's the people that we're hiring. Do you have good character? And you talk about this all the time, Fred, is that, you can teach someone who has competence. You kind of mentioned before, I know in past talks about, an Air Force pilot, right? Is that, you have someone, a brand new kid, learning to fly a couple $1 million airplane. Well, there's got a lot of training and technical training going at that, right?
Yeah, they need to have good character. That's what they pick. Plus, they need to be competent. But the one thing, and motivated, but the one thing that we added is you have to like people because it's a people business, and that's what's important. But think about this, Fred. If the number of professionals serving our industry is down by over 2/3, but business is still, we're doing about $4 trillion a year in this country on home loans. Now we're maybe doing $2.5 trillion. There's still a lot of business out there. There's homes that need to be bought and sold. And so I think it's a great opportunity. Doesn't matter what your profession is, to switch professions or do a dual profession. We have a gentleman going through the class that happens to be a tax professional who has 1,100 clients during tax season, but what does he do the rest of the year? Not as much. And so there's an opportunity for him. I know we have one or two veterans going through, and they're just soaking up this information so they can serve other veterans. That's what it's all about, isn't it, Fred?
Exactly, and that's the part of the philosophy that you've kind of instilled upon, especially being in the chamber, is that how do you give back to the community that has actually allowed us to reap benefits and reap the rewards. It's always about giving back, and this is one part of allowing us to kind of give back to that community, whether it's in the veteran community, again, kind of going after veterans, and as they're transitioning into civilian life, how do we give them an opportunity to be successful? And the same thing with other individuals that have good character and demonstrate that they are competent. We just need to basically train them and give them the tools in order to be successful.
Yeah, not only do you have to get a license, we're almost done with our time, Fred, but not only do you have to get a license, but there's all that technical training that we are going to do with individuals. And Fred, those that want to reach out and find out more about a different tomorrow for your profession, a tomorrow that allows you a lot of flexibility, a tomorrow that helps you help others realize the dream of home ownership and be a true professional?
Well, basically, they can contact me directly. My phone number here local in Santa Clarita is 661-505-4311. Or they can always kind of look out for us and search on what we're about at our website, which is www.affloans.com. That's A as in Apple, F as in Frank, F as in Frank, LOA as in Nancy, S as in Sam.com.
Yep, and also you can go to our website, call us, and it's not just for those that are in Southern California. You could be all throughout California and Western United States and still get this training. So we're trying to train the new breed of mortgage professional to have a better tomorrow, provide for their family, but most of all serve all those homeowners out there. Fred, thank you very much.
Oh, my pleasure, Fred. Thanks for having me on.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen, Fred Krieger with the American Family Funding mortgage professional for over the last 12 years, and certainly someone that's helping those achieve that dream of homeownership and a dream of providing for their family in that next career. Well, I hope you enjoyed this hour of the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. This has been your host, Fred Arnold, and chairman of the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce. Hope you have a great day. Until we talk again, take care on AM 1220 KHTS.